Think motorcycle. Well, good morning, YouTube. I don't say that, do I? I say, why, hello! How the devil are we? Good. Well, I'm late. Considerably late. Which is annoying. I forgot I had to get fuel. I was up nice and early. But it wasn't to be. Think motorcycle. Oh, needs a light control. You piece of shitting lights. I'll cut that. I'm done up like a winter like a Christmas turkey, not a winter turkey. Of course, I've got a... Yeah, all right, darling. I haven't actually told you to go anywhere. I might in a minute though. Right, I'm about 6 minutes late. The chances of making that up are pretty slim. I only put the sat-nav on because I hadn't actually tried it with the new Cardo. I don't know why I'm pointing to it, because you can't see it. Yeah. Right, so I am 12 minutes late. Christ. Thought that was a snake for a minute. Alright, Derek! Ha ha! Well, at least it's an opportunity to see what the sound levels are like at motorway speeds. Alright, I hope. Don't. So then I hear you cry. Oh, I didn't? Oh, okay. Well, I'll tell you anyway. Why am I riding in today? Well, why shouldn't I? However, no, there is an ulterior motive. And that is... I have a new screen that has arrived. Sorry. So, I have an ulterior motive. I have a new screen that has arrived. I took it to work yesterday on the auspice of fitting it at work. My thinking being, by the time I get home of an evening, it is pitch bloody black. So, although if I take it into work, I took it into work. Right, let's try that again. Do. So I thought, if I took it, I'm doing it again. I thought if I took it into work yesterday, I could fit it today. Because one, it will be nice in daylight. Two, what was one? Oh yeah, nice in daylight. Two, I don't know what two is. Two, it's a fiddly job. Or I'm guessing it's going to be a fiddly job. You'll never sell any at that speed. I'll have a funny oh, he's gone. I was going to get a funny foot. So, I'm predicting it to be a little fiddly, because although it's only 4 bolts, and 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. I got this. So when I take all them out, that's going to want to come off. And although if I'm at work and I need an extra pair of hands just to hold that while I bung that on or wing that in, it's all very good, isn't it? I spy with my little eye a pin lock that's not working. But down there of all places. Okay, I've got 8 minutes to get to work now. I'm normally there now. Normally. Well, normally as in not very often. Slime in the middle. Now, I checked the tension on my chain at the weekend, and it appeared to be still well within tolerances, but the quick shifter is feeling a little more sloppy. Oh my fucking god. Fuck my old boots. If anyone's waiting because the office hasn't already been opened, then they're going to have to wait, aren't they? That's all there is to it. Oh, look at all of this shit. Every night I get caught. Okay, initial impression is, I don't know yet. It's a bit blustery this evening, mine. I mean, you can't see bugger all anyway, I don't suspect, so it was a bit tricky to fit that screen with that sat-nav bar in there, as I thought it might. So much so that On this side, I didn't bother with the metal washers behind the screen. I just couldn't get them in there. And I was fast running out of time to do it, so why is my GPS disconnected? Why? See, these are the times when the idea of a DCT sounds lovely, doesn't it? I mean, don't get me wrong, it's great fun wanging it up through the gears, popping it down through them, especially with a quick shifter. But when you're picking your way through traffic, there's something to be said for an automatic transmission, isn't there? Or a DCT. I'll tell you one thing, I'm glad I wore my former boots, my sort of more wintry style boots up to Manchester, because I was going to try and shoehorn my RSTs on. Terrible, terrible. Come on. Me. And I don't mean me, I mean it's poor grammar. I was going to try and shoehorn my RSTs on. And I'm glad I didn't. Because they did fit, but there was just a sense that they might be a bit too tight over the course of a 12-hour day, so I didn't, and I'm glad I didn't, because they're a little bit breezy round the bottom of the shin. Anyway, I shall try and sort this volume mixing duff right hand ear thing out. I don't know. And I shall say tatty bye. And I shall see thee anon, with any luck. And I will say, filtering when it's queuing all the way down the hill like that is very nice indeed.